Innovat's high-speed technology is being demonstrated in this video. In this picture you can see many infrastructure items, houses, schools, roads, dams. In order to put this information into a management system to be able to make decisions, this data have to be recorded. We offer to our client a total asset register, total access to those assets, and a traceable medium, and then it becomes a monitoring system. The technology itself is in a 4-step process, capturing of videography on 3 different platforms, spatially correct, then audit on top of the digital images, publishing it in the 3rd step on the internet with the spatial correctness, and in the 4th step handing the data back to the client in order for them to use in their processes. In the 1st step, we record as many cameras, high-resolution images, spatially correct, integrated in a database with equipment showing on this screen. In the 2nd step, the information is being audited on top of the digital image, spatially correct, using the cognitive ability of the eye. We use color, shape and category. In less than 2 seconds, an item can be identified and tagged on a digital image, spatially correct. In this example, the outside of the road and the lanes are being marked. In the same time, the lane width are being measured. There is a sign. We click on the sign and you will be able to categorize the sign or the infrastructure item by going to information sign, rectangular, green, text, and choose the correct sign, and it's been tagged on the digital image in an uncorruptible way. Then the conditional element of this infrastructure item can be audited. There's a pothole and we can audit that. At the end of the day, a SQL database is being created and linked to the digital image with every element that is being audited. If there was a white dotted line on the road, we replace it with a graphical image of a white dotted line which is spatially correct and now can be plotted on a map. If you look at what Google give us in Google Earth and look at the palm tree, what we record is the same palm tree but from the human eye perspective. We can audit addresses, and for each address we can collect more information like electricity, telecoms, postal address. And for this specific address, we immediately know what elements is available for this household. The things that we do not know yet is elements like education, police and health and other service delivery. But indicated on this map, driving past the school and the clinic mean that we can audit the clinic and the school. And immediately by auditing this town in one day with one vehicle, we would be able to generate an address and a service delivery point and audit what infrastructure and the condition of each infrastructure is in this community. We will be able to report on this very fast and say what is the infrastructure and what is the problem elements in this specific. And this is how we capture data with high-speed digital audit in a fast and effective way. And now we will be able to give the client a smartphone application in order to manage the implementation phases of repairing the infrastructure or implementing the infrastructure.